ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक जिसे हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम, विच सजेस्ट दैट इफ there are two bodies interact with one another, then their linear momentum will remain constant provided that there should be no external force is acting on the system of both these two bodies. Let's reconsider with the diagram. We have two bodies, the one body of mass m1 and another body of mass m2, and its velocity is u1 and another body's velocity is u2, in which you have to keep in mind friends कि u1 is greater than u2 है ना, only then they can collide. What's happened, both are moving. After some time both bodies will collide, दोनों में एक दूसरे में टक्कर होती है, तो what's happened, their velocity will be changed. Just consider example of carom board and their strikers, so their velocity will be changed. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, here the momentum will be m1 u1, here the momentum of second body will be m2 u2, and after collision the momentum becomes m1 v1 and m2 v2. So friends, let's begin and prove the thing that m1 u1 plus m2 u2, this is called your momentum before collision, and m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is called momentum after collision. So we have to prove actually this thing. So let's begin. Change in momentum of body, consider it A and B. This is also A and B. So consider change in the momentum of body A, final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum of body A is m1 v1 माइनस इनिशियल होगा आपका m1 u1. नाउ change in rate of momentum of body A, change in rate of momentum of body A becomes m1 v1 minus m1 u1 upon t. Give it equation number 1. Friends, we know by second law of motion, change in rate of momentum is directly proportional to applied force. Consider this body A applied force on this body B during collision. So Newton's, according to third law of Newton's, this body B will also apply force on A. So we can write this FAB. FAB means the force applied by body A on B, and here force BA means force applied by body B on A. तो ये होगा by second law of motion, we can write FAB is equal to m1 v1 minus m1 u1 upon t. Now give it equation number 1, not this one. Similarly, we can write FBA is equal to, if this body B also applied some force on body A, then this can be written as FBA is equal to, वहां जो चेंजेस होंगे वो होगा आपका m2v2 minus m2 u1 upon t. This is your equation number 1. We know by third law of Newton's third law, we suggest that every action has opposite and equal reaction. So if body A apply force on B, then the same force will be applied by body B on A, but the direction is opposite, so here we will use negative sign and give it equation number 3. Putting the values of FAB and FBA by these two equations, by equation number 1 and 2, putting these values, what we find, F1V1 M1V1 minus M1U1 is equal to M2V2 minus M2U2 on T and on T. T से T कैंसिल होगा, यहाँ सिर्फ हमारे पास बचेगा M1V1 माइनस M1U1 और यहाँ माइनस साइन, ये वैल्यू माइनस की होगी क्योंकि यहाँ माइनस साइन है, तो ये होगा माइनस का M2V2 और ये माइनस साइन उठ के यहाँ आएगा तो ये वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगी, तो ये होगा आपका M2U2। अब फाइनली हम क्या करेंगे कि जो V1 वाली क्वांटिटी है उसको एक तरफ और U2 वाली क्वांटिटी को एक तरफ करते हैं, तो यहाँ देखने में आता है आपका कि M1U1 प्लस M2U2 इज इक्वल टू M1V1 plus M2V2. So friends, we have to prove this formula, which is called the law of conservation of momentum, in which we can write कि momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. And in my next topic, I will discuss the numerical section which is based on this law also. So you people have to read it again and again so that you can clear your numerical section. Thank you very much.